you seen my tomato baby? Oh, ELA, baby, suffer the cool me temper. Ada, baby, na sugar, yo. Everybody they wait. Utakene no more. If I did maka, let us soup na money kill amo. Ada mwanga peke ya, ada, yo.
Chai, I beg. Anybody who help me see my beautiful baby, Ugochi, make you me carry come. Skimpy, don't carry Ugochi go. He carry Ugochi come out. He come bring another man, come house. Where is the happen? Eh? What's in they pay me for Ugochi matter? They say, I know Michango. That to me, Michango, I know Michango. Easy beat, na Michango.
Eh?
Are you okay? Yes or yes? You know Michango.
I don't do anything. I don't do anything.
Why you dey laugh if you know Michango? Because you don't say I'm a loser. But I know I will arrest you.
You talk with confidence.
I will finger your eye now. I will finger your eye. Anyway, my people, I don't want to start like this, but they pay me. Now you can't give me, have you seen my beautiful baby? Hi! Go wherever you are, I'm missing you. I know you're missing me too. Anywhere you are, I will come and look for you to Michango. I will make. Yes, my people, a beautiful night, beautiful evening. I will do again. At the late night show, be this on top channel 195 for Star Times. The Ogbonge show will be say, man, if your money don't Casablanca, yes. I want to show skip this as a speak Casablanca. You have to come Blackasa. You know, now the show where we say, if you watch, will not be pushing you for dream because I skip the key willy. You understand? Now still me, myself, and I, the man with the husky voice, sexy voice, dragger voice. You know? Yeah, that may be Obi Martins, aka foul picking where Igu no carry when it's small. Igu no fi carry me again. Yes, I beg, make you help me beg Skimpy. Make you help me beg her. Anywhere inside you go, Chigo. I beg Skimpy. Bring her come. You can't carry man come out. You, they carry you come out, they laugh.
Wait, when you do your intro, I just say you go forget that for picking side. But you good say you remember.
You say waiting?
When you do your intro, you forget that for picking side before.
Skippy, go carry person, don't mad.
Okay, this one has style, no be madness.
Skippy, which house boy you carry come?
No, you know say they don't already talk and finish. They say, Baba, God bless you, no go pass you by. He go bless you, so
then go ask you why.
Now the cocoa be that one. Now you bring babe, I don't follow you quarrel. But this turn, I mean bring man inside the house. I'm capable.
Why you don't bring who fast? Who fat? You don't bring who be like you.
No, Oliver, now there the calculation go take.
Patient of days.
How old are you now? How old? Not be new song again. Nothing they meet me.
Listen, they pay me. Skippy, they pay me. The thing be saying, if I even they try, I even make you verse, you go they happy. And they pay me say you know they verse. You are wicked though.
I'm bad like that.
Skippy, the way you just say this, they can't remind me of those days. Let me say I just marry you, come here new.
Why still be your secretary?
How old are you now? Anyway, that's much you be 48. Now you, Skippy, why you the person you don't marry come out?
Jacob,
Yes, there.
you marry, you no marry. I just like your swaggo. Now, because not be all about me, you bab go remark me the head day shine. I know they say anything, take and rub for night, but Jacob within the house now.
You get plenty to play with.
All my
People
dreams
one by
don't
one.
come true. Thank you.
Just
If Jacob dream, that dream is a good dream.
Obi,
See,
na good
see your
dream,
hair,
oh.
see your hair.
Yeah,
Easy beat.
something to play with, you know.
To play with. Well, go
I
buy,
like the hair like that.
go buy coffee, you know.
I like the hair like that.
Go buy coffee.
Who want that?
One day who they buy
Don't
coffee
worry.
now.
It's not who die. It's the death that matter. It's the death that matter.
Okay, we might even let us forget to greet on say on a good evening. Yes, and I'm not David for Wazobia TV and say on top Wazobia TV. Yes, we get container, we get goods. Now the level be that one. TV don't come up for that level where we say person go just sit down like person where they call national anthem for because on top Wazobia TV.
Oh, Skippy, you're not talking about woman already. You get content, I get goods.
Hey!
Only you.
Skippy, don't finish me. I don't know if I do yourself again. You get container, I get goods. Only you want. No wonder I don't sell Ugochi. He don't put that for container, said I know. You are Mr. Malabo, no problem. Okay, Ugochi, they hide inside Mr. Malabo,
Okay, this way Obi Martin talk now go make us one day, as we don't bring Jacob come on top the set, we go bring Mr. Malabo self.
I know what's here. Our drink go finish. Our drink go finish. Mr. Malabo. That man. I know what's here. Bring Femi. I will say Femi
Adisa.
Anwi. Oh, shaking in they do that thing for Anwi.
Hey, wow.
Continue. I know all of them. Why you laugh?
Okay. Now so Papa will be on top of the late night show. No time for dulling because we were with the house, we no be on dollar. And you know what's in the happen, you know say no time to check time, but if you finally check the time, you go see say some minutes down the dance cocoa on top the head of 10 o'clock. And you know say we dey here to tutorial your night from now enter 11 p.m. Pop on before we go disappear, come on top your television. But for now, don't forget the late night show. We get ovishi things. We get ginger, we get swagger, we get cocoa of the day. From that level, we go enter People's Parliament. And don't forget as we do them every day from Monday enter Friday. See on top People's Parliament, we did grab one kajad guest. Join body will be say we go come begin to light her. They ask her 1 or 2 questions where she go sumptuous. They answers them. And today make I tell you say we don't grab one oldbonge person. Yes, one oldbonge person. Yellow girl looking sexy. I know we never reveal the name for now.
Tell them who you can't come out. You are committing adultery.
Yes, I know.
The only adult can commit adultery.
That's what he talk about.
Skippy.
I no need to mention Jacob name because anybody will see him inside the house, they don't know our word of the day master. Yes, that na the guy with the enter inside on our do go they ask on I say, waiting be this word, make on a talk for good English. Jacob, aka Live Jacob Stamp, aka Mr. Michael Phone. They with us. Obi Martins, aka I am Obi Martins. I'm Miss Skimpy, aka
wait, why you going to
website.
Pigeon waiting.
Pigeon website.
Jacob, you are welcome.
Thank you.
But see, they say to mad easy. I track away the madness.
Nayad.
Which one you touch baby? It's your bottle skin we get. Greet people. For example,
Country people I greet now. Happy New Week, yes, and Happy New Month.
tell them where you are skipping, carry you go.
I don't know.
So I see the carry him back. Come on, you don't know where you go.
I don't know.
You.
I just come. I see say only Skippy day, so I can't believe say maybe now not to get a stroll. So that's why I just think.
You don't check bus cutter well. You just say no, I don't go somewhere for behind.
This one when you call the
Come back
law.
here.
With your blouse, where you wear blouse.
Easy bit, yourself, your smile different. So
You just say, when somebody you don't make chango overnight. You make chango. Me tata where.
Me
You don't come
chango.
this night. You see you, I will kill you. Me, I will finger your eye. You, don't worry.
You know the part where I like pass for Obi Martin. Obi Martin go say viewers when they house make can help me. I never meet Shango. Okay, join.
Which is another Shango.
Join.
Oh, nah, Tagi. All right, my people. You know, that's what they do for late night show. Because the only problem I get for this life is Skimpy. I bet anybody who won't go carry Skimpy free of charge, come and carry. I'm telling you, free of charge. And don't forget again, say, foul picking where Eagle no carry. Nothing if happen to me. Even Super Eagles won't carry me. They no go Nation Scope. Yes. Our topic of today. Share it good. Make husband carry wife go club. Share it good. If you agree, say it good. Don't waste time. Go for our Twitter. They show for your screen there.
Yes.
Twitter. Drop your points. We'll read them. Come aside. If it good, make husband carry wife go club. At this point, like Skip the talker, our guests don't sit down. Gidigba. More go small market. If we come back, our guests will not sit down for seats. Now fine girl. But if cares not take yourself, I feel marry and join Skippy. Easy bit. Give me any song.
Papa God bless you, no go pass you by. He go bless you, so to them go ask you by. Honey bad belly people, then go pass you by.
Exclusive to JohnBiz.com.
No go let you die. Oh, he will let you fly. Over the obstacle you dey face sometime. Oh, you just have to try. Me Papa God bless you, no go pass you by.
Black magic, the dream mate, I can't believe. Myself can't believe. I brought on EC. Either way we win, whether or not it's with me.